Hey guys, it's me, Nicole, and today we're going to be doing the blindfolded slime challenge. So if you guys never saw how those other YouTubers did the blindfolded slime challenge, you'll see me doing it today. First, I'll just show you what I have. It's not really that much, but it's kind of good, not that bad. So I have clear glue. I have color glue. I have this other purple color glue. I have a pink color glue. I have metallic paint. I have another metallic paint that's blue and another metallic paint. It's purple, blue, pink. And I have Elmer's bottle glue if you guys could see. So I'm gonna pick my slime ingredients, and then I'll show you guys what I have. Okay. So let's get started. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you guys, but I have these too, so like little accessories. So I'm gonna get my blindfolded on, and we're gonna start the challenge. And I forgot, we can't mix it up until the end, and then we can't put it in our bowls yet. We have to we have to finish. We don't really have to finish with everything, but we have to use about 4 ingredients of this. So yeah. And then another thing is I do not have to use all of these. I already told you guys. And I could only pick just. Okay, so let's start now. So here, get my blindfold on. Perfect. So I'm going to start going this one. This one. This one. This one. And I'll pick one more item. These. Okay, I decided to pick one more ingredient. And I want I don't know which one to pick. This one. Okay. So I have to keep my blindfold on. Okay, so I think this is my bowl and my stick to mix. Okay, we could start by pouring this in. Okay. Put some of this in. Okay, here we go. Got it. Okay. There we go. I think that's open. Okay. Close this up. I think that's good enough. It sounds like it came out a lot. This is, sorry. Okay, I'll just leave that there. I don't want to get here. And I'll put some of this in. My bad. Okay, so I'm going to keep mixing and we're going to have a slime review. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is sort of how my slime came out. I still do not know how it came out, but I'm gonna be unmasked. 3, 2, 1, go. So it's not that bad. So it's super plain, but I just wanted to wait to the end to show you guys what this was, because I felt like some of you guys were very confused of like, what is she gonna put in her slime? Okay. So it's like these little accessories. It's like made for putting in slime. So like there's like this little swirl pop. There's this little sweet, I have a bunch of these sweet things. The clear ones. I think I want to put this one in. So, actually no, this one, and I'll put one more to go with that one. I'll put this one. The button. So, if you guys liked my slime, don't forget to push the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye!